Hi guys, thanks for tuning in, sponsored by Marina Strawberry. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and an overview of a mini ITX motherboard that has just arrived through the post. I was at work, I come home and I find this. So this is a mini ITX board. It's the 13th gen chipset. It's B760i and this is the DDR4. You can get the DDR5, but I went with the DDR4, and you can see the bottom, it supports 13th gen. So this is going to be an overview and unboxing. Let's look at the side of the box. Nothing too fancy. There we go. It's the gaming motherboard, and sorry about that. Anyways, back to the video. This is the back side of the box. It has a USB 3.2 Type-C connection, thermal design, heat pipes, 8+1+1 phases. It has RGB on the side of the board, and it comes with the Wi-Fi. Okay, I haven't unboxed it yet. Let's see what's inside. This is the board itself. It's really tiny, as you can see. Let's move that the way. Here's the board. Let's open it up from the back. Here we go. This is Gen 4, PCIe Gen 4. Under here is the M.2 Gen 4 as well. As you can see on the side, you got the Type-C connection and you got the USB 3.0 connection. At the back, you got another M.2 drive. M.2's expansion slot. It's got a back plate at the back as well. Pretty neat. Two DDR4 RAM slots. The 8-pin at the top. Now let's look at the I/O. This here is a Type-C. This is one of the reasons why I picked the Aorus. I needed a Type-C port because I do a lot of large file transfers. You got loads of USB ports here, USB 2, USB 3, display, HDMI. It's got the flash, the Q flash, and here's your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And your mic and line out. There we go, guys. That's the board, and that's it. Let's see the accessories. Let's push this to a side. This box, we're not gonna need it no more. Okay, this is like a extension fan extender. Another one. You got two. This is a SATA cable, two SATA cables. We'll be needing that because I'll be using the M.2 drives. And this is your Wi-Fi Bluetooth dongle. This is magnetic, so you can stick it at the back of the case. And this here is I think it's another SATA cable. instruction manuals. I don't think anyone reads it anymore. And that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's what you get in the box. Okay guys, that's the unboxing and an overview of the board. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.